What a lot of your viewers don't realize is testosterone is naturally converted to what we call estradiol. We call that aromatization. That happens in a man. So yes, us guys, we produce estrogen secondarily from the production of testosterone. So through the production of testosterone, we have estrogen. And what has happened with our food source and so much toxin in our environment, we're checking testosterone levels, and I'm seeing testosterone levels that look like they're men in their 70s. Wow. It's not your fault, guys. It has to do with what is in the food, what is in the water. We're getting so much estrogen effect in a man's body that's causing havoc in our body systems, and we're seeing men younger and younger and younger coming in with symptoms of low T.
I just watched something really interesting about plastics and how they're endocrine disruptors and how it is affecting young men and their sperm count. It's also affecting little girls, and their period is starting younger because of plastics. So you add on the foods, the environment, and then the plastics. I can see why this is happening.
You know, they got us addicted to chips and plastics, plastics and everything.
Yeah.
And it's unfortunately working our way into places we don't want them to be.
Right.
And it's causing problems.
Yeah.